Okay, so now we have our system in form of matrices. We now, since our main aim is to move this to this place, then the first entry here is supposed to be 1. But what we have is 3. So in order to create 1 here, we divide row 1 by 3. So therefore, our operation here will be such that our new row 1 is going to be the old row 1 divided by 3. So we have 3 by 3 here, 3 divided by 3, 1. The 2 here, we have 2 over 3. Minus 1 is minus 1 over 3. And the 1 here, we have 1 over 3. 0 over 3 is 0. 0 over 3 is 0. 11 over 3, we have 11 over 3. Doing that allow us to have this new equation 1, which is we have divided equation 1, line 1 with 3 throughout. So this 3 is divided by 3, that gives us 1. This 2 divided by 3, we have 2 over 3. Minus 1 divided by 3, we have minus 1 over 3. 1 divided by 3, we have 1 over 3. 0 divided by 3, we have 0. 0 divided by 3, we have 0. And 11 divided by 3, we have 11 over 3. That gives us the new equation 1, which we call equation 1 prime. Now we make use of equation 1 prime to eliminate this 1. This is 1, and what we need is 0 there, right? So we'll now write some operation here involving our R2. Our new R2 will now be R2 with R1 prime. The new R1 prime we have just modified. This is the new R1 prime. We'll make use of it here in order to create 0 here. So what do we do now? The next thing we do, so what we will look at is, what do we have here? 1. What do we have here? 1. So if we can now simply say that R2 minus R1, so it's like we are saying this R2 minus R1, and that 1 minus 1 will give us 0. So that's the operation we will now apply throughout. So R2 minus R1, that means this R1 minus R1, the result is now going to be 0. All right, then we now have minus R2 minus 2 over 3. So minus R2 minus 2 over 3, that means minus 2 minus 2 over 3. If we simplify this, this will give us 6. This gives us minus 8 over 3. It's going to give us minus 8 over 3, right? Then the next thing is to say 1 minus 1 over 3. 1 minus 1 over 3 is just going to give us 4 over 3. 4 over 3, right? Then we continue. We have 0 here. 0 minus 1 over 3. Our result is going to be minus 1 over 3. And next is 1 minus 0. Our result is going to be 1. 0 minus 0, 0. And now our minus 3. Our minus 3. This minus 3 minus 11 over 3. So we have minus 3 minus 11 over 3. This will give us our LCM here is 3. Here we have minus 3, right? We have 9 here, minus 9 here, minus 11, giving us minus 20 over 3. So here is minus 20 over 3. Minus 20 over 3. Next is, we have now achieved our aim of getting 0 here. We have 0 here. The next thing is to create 0 here. And we now look at what do we have here. What we have here is 2. And we are to relate it to the new R1 prime we have now. So since we have 2 here, if we make this 2, we can also do the same thing and say our row 2 prime, row 3 prime is going to be row 3 minus 2 row 1 prime. This is to make this 1 2. That's why we multiply it by 2, right? And we subtract, because here is positive 2, If we say 2 minus 2, we are going to get 0. So we now go ahead and apply our operation in our value. So we have 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 times R1, which is 0, right? Then we have the next is our minus 1. Minus 1 minus 2 times this. So we have minus 1 minus 2 times minus 8 over minus 2 times minus 2 times 2 over 3. This 2 over 3 is from here, right? This 2 is from here, and this minus 1 is from here, because that is our R1. So just simplify here. So what we have here is minus 1 minus 4 over 3. Minus 1 minus 4 over 3 is going to give us minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 over 3. So we have minus 7 over 3. We do the same thing there, and we are going to get minus 4 over 3, right? We have minus 4 over 3. This is from minus 2 minus 1 over 3, right? Minus 2 minus 1 over 3. Minus will give us plus, so it's going to be minus 2 plus 1 over 3. Minus 2 plus 1 over 3 is going to give us minus 4 over 3. So we now move to the next column, which is our 0 here. So 0, we take our 0. What we have is 0 here. 0 minus 1 over 3, right? 0 minus 2 times 1 times 2. Wait. Wa alaikum assalam. Sure.